This video will guide you through constructing a frequency distribution table and calculating the interval value of a 4-point Likert scale. We'll use a real-world example to make it easy to understand.
A frequency distribution table organizes data to show how often each value occurs and help us visualize patterns and understand the distribution of our data.
To better understand how students felt about the food served during the HTM Days Gala at Lapu-Lapu City College, a survey was conducted using a 4-point Likert scale. A total of 20 participants were asked to rate their satisfaction.
Before we begin, I'm going to write the title of our frequency distribution table. Now we're going to make a table. Here in class, all you need to do is to put the Likert scales, which is very satisfied, satisfied, dissatisfied, and very dissatisfied. Here in Tally, all you have to do is to count the number of the responses in each class. As you can see in the screen, there are 3 very satisfied response. As for satisfied, there are 12 responses. Dissatisfied has 3 responses. And lastly, very dissatisfied has 2 responses. Here in frequency, all you need to do is to change the tallies into numbers. So 3, 12, 3. If you total the frequency, there are 20 responses. So to get the percentage, you need to divide the frequency to the total responses. 3 divide 20, 0.15. And you need to multiply it by 100 to get the percentage. Well, divide 20 times 100. 60%. 3 divide 20 or 15 divide times 100, 15%. Lastly, 2 divide 20, 0.1 times 100 plus 10. So, we total the percentage. 15 plus 60 plus 15 plus 10 equals 100%. If you get 100%, so our calculation of the data is correct.
Now, let's look at the 4-point Likert scale. These scales measure the opinions or attitudes.
A 4-point Likert scale is a type of rating scale used to measure attitudes, opinions, or perceptions. It typically includes 4 response options without a neutral midpoint, which forces respondents to lean positively or negatively. So we're going to list all 20 respondents. Now we have to total all responses to identify its value. Now we have the total of 56. Now for us to get the mean, we have to divide the total responses to the total respondents. Divide 20. So we get 2.8. Now, we have to get the interval width. So how to get the interval width? We need to follow this formula. N minus 1 divide n. And here is the highest scale of the Likert scale, which is 4. 4, just follow the formula, minus 1, and is 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. Now we're going to use this interval width to make a mean range. Now we're going to use this interval width. We're going to start with 1.00. Yes, add the 0.75. So 1.75 plus 0.75 or 0.75 is 2.5 or 2.50. Plus 0.75. Just add it up until we complete. 0.51 to 3.25 plus 0.75. We complete our mean range. So this is our mean range. Now we're going to interpret each of these range. So 1.1 is very dissatisfied. Dissatisfied. Satisfied. Lastly is very satisfied. Now, for us to interpret this mean, we're going to identify it where this mean falls. So 2.8, it falls in satisfied. So our interpretation of the satisfaction of the student in the food served in HTMD's gala is satisfied.
By using a frequency distribution table and calculating the Likert interval, we were able to analyze how attendees felt about the food during the HTM Days Gala. The results show that the majority were satisfied, and the numerical analysis allows future planning to be more data-driven and effective.